And we're back, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a minimalist lettermark logo in Adobe Illustrator using only rectangles. This method works well for letters like M, K, N that have no circles or bows in it. Just create 4 rectangles, hold shift when you do that, use the rectangle tool, and you've got these squares. They're all positioned at the center now. And I use the line segment tool. Go to the anchor points where the edges of the rectangles are and then connect them. When you drag it from left to right or upwards, downwards, just hold shift and it will snap in a perfect angle. And this is the basic shape that we want to have. And now we can use, for example, the shape builder tool. You can hold Alt and get rid of the center element. For example, like this to create an M letter. Let me press Ctrl Z and I give it just a different color. This time I don't hold Alt when I use the shape builder tool. Let me try this color, looks fine. And I can rotate it, and once again we've got an M letter. It's a little bit more abstract, but it works. We can add another element to it, like this, that works fine. If you get rid of excess shapes, you break a little bit of the harmony. Let me show you this. That sometimes works. In this case I don't like it, so I press Ctrl Z, but it is an option, and you can always go back to creating your letter as a negative shape. Just delete the center element. Try this method out yourself. As I've said, letters like K, L, M, N, they work best, and it's very simple to do. You can create lots of variations pretty quickly, and you've got a minimalistic, clean design for a company that needs a lettermark logo. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.